welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'm going to be doing my very first fall haul and decorate with me, and I'm very excited about it because I love fall. I love it. It's probably my favorite season out of all the seasons. I just love the smells, the coziness of it all. It is me to the core. I love it. So I'm like really excited this season to decorate my house and get in the fall season. I know that it is only August. Well, it's almost September. Give myself some credit here. At least I made it almost to September. But I'm ready to get going. So in this video, I'm going to take you shopping with me. I went to TJ Maxx, Michael's, and Target. And I'm also going to share with you the things that I got from those stores. And then at the end, we are going to decorate together. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get started. The first couple things that I'm going to show you I got for the kitchen in general. They're not necessarily going to be switched out from season to season. I just really liked them, and I thought that the kitchen needed a little bit of a spruce up while I was decorating. So I got a couple things. I'm going to show you what I got from Target first. So I got these, oh gosh, I almost dropped it. I got these little canisters. There's actually 4 of them in the line. I only got 3 of them. The biggest one is in the kitchen. I just thought that I would leave it in there because it's kind of big. But the biggest one is flour, this one is sugar, and then I believe there's a coffee one, and then I got the tea. I didn't get the coffee because number 1, I didn't really think I needed it. Number 2, they didn't have it. So I just got the 3, and it fits the space really well. So the big flour one was $16.99, the sugar one was $14.99, and then the tea was $7.99. The other thing that I got from Target was this big white vase. I have been looking for a vase to put flowers in for a really long time, and I just couldn't find the one I wanted until I found this one from Target. It's very big, but it fills the space on my island really well, so I was very happy with this purchase. And that is all that I got from Target. So now I'm going to show you the things that I got from Michael's. The thing I love about shopping at Michael's is there's always a coupon that you can use. I have the app on my phone. Michael's also takes Joann coupons. So there's always a way to get a huge discount whenever you shop at Michael's, which is why I love that store so much. So I got a couple of things from there. I was kind of just picking things up and seeing when I got home what I wanted to keep and what I wanted to kind of take back, but I was actually happy with everything that I got. So the first thing that I got is this little canister. This is gonna go by the stove, and I'm gonna put some wooden spoons in it. So I got this. It was originally $19.99, but I probably used a discount on that. Probably used like a 50% off, which would make it $10.99. And then I also got this white pitcher. I thought I was gonna use this for my wooden spoons, but I actually just ended up liking both of them, so I'm gonna keep both of them, but I'm not gonna put the wooden spoons in this. And this was originally $14.99. And then the last thing that I got from Michael's was a bunch of fake flowers and kind of some fall colors to make my own arrangement. I like fall colors, but in small amounts. So I got a pop of orange. I kind of got this pinky white, and then the rest I just got white. I did not want to go overboard. I don't like the browns and the greens and oranges and reds. I don't like it to be in my face, but I wanted a pop of the orange. So I picked up, I think, 4 of these guys, and then 1 of these orange flowers, and then this like pinky flower. So that was everything that I got from Michael's and Target. Now I'm going to show you what I got from TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx is my favorite place to get any kind of decor for the seasons. They have pretty much everything that you can need, and it's always like in my style. I just think it's really cute. So let me show you what I got. So the first 2 things that I'm going to show you are things that I'm going to keep in my kitchen at all times. The first thing is this little glass tray. I don't know what else to call it, but it's white, and I'm going to put my soaps on this and like a sponge or soap brush or something to keep by the kitchen sink. And this was $5.99. I also thought this little sign was really cute. It says, "Together is the best place to be. Our family loves to be together. Andrew and I love to spend time together. We say that we are each other's favorite person in the whole world," which is really cute. But this was $5.99, and I will keep this probably always in the kitchen, or at least somewhere around my house. Then as far as fall decor goes, I really only got, other than the flowers, I got 3 other things. I'm keeping it super subtle, but when you walk into my kitchen, you'll definitely be like, oh, it's fall. So I got this green pumpkin. It's kind of like a blue green almost. It just is, I mean, you could probably store some things in there. I might put some my guilty pleasure is those, what are they called? Candy corn and like the candy pumpkins. Terrible for you, kind of disgusting if you think about it, but they taste so good to me, and I grew up eating them. So I mean, every year I have to get them whether I eat them or not. So yeah, I might fill this up with the candy corn and candy pumpkins. But I liked this color because, again, it wasn't that like real in your face kind of fall color, but it also went with the orange that I'm kind of going with and white, but it kind of broke up the white at the same time. So I really liked this color, and this little pumpkin was $7.99. I got this because I wanted another pumpkin something, but also because it lights up. I was a little bit disappointed with the color that it lights up with. It's almost like a green. It doesn't show up super good on camera, but it lights up, and it's just really cozy. Like at nighttime, you light a candle, you turn on maybe like the stove light and then this guy, and it's just really cozy, a really fall, warm and homey atmosphere that this creates. So I had to get it. Andrew was like, "Are you serious?" But I thought it was really cute. And I think I took the sticker off of this. Let's see if I can find how much this cost. This one was $7.99 as well. And then I got a whole bunch of wooden spoons to put in that white canister that I got from Michael's and put it by the stove. I just wanted a bit of a natural wood pop. So I got a whole bunch of spoons that came in a pack. All of this was in one pack from TJ Maxx for like $5.99. They had even smaller packs if you wanted to go that route for like $3.99 or $2.99. So very inexpensive, and I'm really excited. I've been wanting these for a really long time, and I'm glad I finally got them. And the last thing that I got was a kitchen towel. This is not going to be used. This is strictly for decoration. I want everyone in my household to know that. No, I'm just kidding. But this is that pop of orange that I was going with. It's kind of like a burnt orange maybe. It says family, and it came in a 2-pack from TJ Maxx for $4.99. This is probably my favorite thing to decorate with, is Mrs. Meyer's products. And this is honestly what got me in the fall mood like so badly, was this Mrs. Meyer's in pumpkin. So I get this from Grove Collaborative. They're not actually available from Grove quite yet. I will let you guys know when they do come available, which will be on the 4th. And I will have a link for you guys to get. These are free. You'll get the hand soap, countertop spray, or multi-surface spray. You'll get a dish soap, and you will also get a scrubber brush, all for free with a $20 purchase. So be on the lookout for that on the 4th. I will let you guys know, but this smells so good. And this was also my inspiration for that pop of orange. So I think it looks really pretty with that blue green and then a whole bunch of white stuff, and then just a subtle pop of an autumny burnt orange. Oh, I wish you guys could smell this. It seriously smells so much like fall. It gets me in the fall spirit so much. But they also have an apple cider scent and a mum scent. All right, now that you guys have seen all of the things that I got to decorate with, let's go and decorate my house.